One of the most common questions we get here at the LSU AgCenter is how to plan and implement a low-maintenance landscape. Unfortunately, that's a lot harder than it actually sounds, and that's because of our climate. We have a very long growing season, we have lots of rainfall, high temperatures even at nighttime, plenty of sun as well. So what that creates is a place for weeds to grow really fast, and also a place for even our desirable plants to grow out of bounds quickly. The first step in the process: plan where you want to plant trees, or maybe you already have trees that are existing that you need to work around. And if you need to buy new trees, don't worry if you have a small lot, because there's so many smaller options out there that you can safely plant around your home. Step 2, what we call foundation planting. And this is probably where you'll stop, because foundation plantings like this Japanese yew or this beautiful sweet olive tree actually help soften the edges between the transition from your built structure behind you and into the lawn or the landscaped area. The other reason we refer to these as foundation plants is because they actually provide the permanent structure for your garden. And to do that, I like to mix about 75% evergreen plants with 25% deciduous plants. And one of my favorite evergreens to use, Camellia sasanquas or Camellia himalis. They can take sun to part sun, and they bloom in the fall and winter, providing valuable forage for honeybees and other pollinators. Third and final step in the process: make sure you use plenty of mulch, and just go ahead and outline the curves of your bed with mulch. You don't need to worry about filling them with any annual plants or using any sort of border grass. The contrast of the mulch will define your bed up against the nice evergreen plants. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter.